In this video, I show you how to fix media picker keep stopping problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, and tap on see all apps. Now tap on three dot, then tap on show system app. Now search for media picker. Now tap on media picker. Now tap on storage and cache. If you see any clear storage or clear cache option, then clear storage. If you're not seeing this option, then skip this method. Go back, then tap on three dot, then tap on reset app preference, then tap on reset apps. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix media picker keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.